Hi, my dear brilliant diamonds. Let us now solve the fifth problem. And in this problem, they said that there is a rectangular garden. Since it is a rectangular garden, definitely it will have length and breadth, and this length will definitely have bigger than breadth. And how much bigger? 4 meters bigger. For example, if you assume this length as x meters and breadth as y meters, then what happens? X minus y means the difference between length and breadth is equal to 4 meters. One thing. Next, in the question, they said that half the perimeter of this garden is 36 meters. You need to know little bit, go back to your previous classes knowledge. What is that perimeter of rectangle? See, this length is x, breadth is y. So perimeter is nothing but x plus y, again x plus y. So total you need to find total four sides length is called perimeter. But they said that in the question half perimeter, not total perimeter. So you need to take one length and one breadth. So one length we assumed x and breadth we assumed y. So x plus y is equal to 36 meters. Done. We got two equations now. Using these equations, we are going to find solution with the help of graphical method. Now from equation 1, if you transpose x this side, you can write y is equals to x minus 4. Similarly, by using equation 2, you can write y is equals to 36 minus x after transposing this x towards right side. Done. Now using this equation, now let us find the solution with the help of graphical method. This is equation 1. Okay. From this you can write y is equals to x minus 4. In place of x, if you put 4, you will get y value 0. Similarly, in place of x, if you put 16, you will get 12 as y value. Then again, using this equation 2, we can write x and y values. Now let us use these values and plot the graph here. 4 comma 0, this is 4 comma 0. 16 comma 12, 16 and 12, this is the 16 comma 12. So when you join these 2 points, you will get x minus y is equals to 4, means equation 1, line of equation 1. Done. Next, if you locate 12 comma 24, 12 is this, 24 is this. Okay, 12 and 24. Then 24 comma 12, 24 is this, 12 is this. So these 2 points, if you join, you will get line of equation 2. Done. After that, you can clearly see that these two, blue line and orange line, are intersecting at this point. Where? Here. So what is this? 20 and 16. So 20 is the value of x, means x axis and coordinate, and y 16 is the y axis coordinate. It means we got x is equal to 20, nothing but length of the garden. Y is equal to 16 is nothing but breadth of the garden. So finally we got the length and breadth of the given garden. Hope you got good clarity on this problem which we have discussed. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.